In this video, I will show you a quick way to change text and vector shape color. Let me first show you the ordinary way. You select the text, then go to text tool, then select this and choose the color, then click OK. But I will show you more quickly way, which is using shortcut Alt backspace to fill the text with the foreground color and Control backspace to fill it with the background color. Let me show you. Here is Alt backspace, I fill it with black, and Control backspace, I fill it with white. But if you want to change more than one text, then select them all and go to Type tool, then select the color you like and all of them will be changed. Same thing with vector shapes. Control backspace to white, Alt backspace to black, since white and black are my current colors. If you change another color, use Alt backspace, and here is Control backspace.